Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So we will discuss here today the most important viral topic. The topic is can we convert the 480 pixel video to 720 or in fact 1080 pixel in VLC. I have seen a lot of videos discussing that we can convert from 480 pixel to 1080 pixel. So but unfortunately there are no practically testing. So we will discuss here, is it possible, can we convert a 480 pixel video to 720 pixel or in fact 1080 pixels. So let's start. Okay, I have a video here. Let's go take some videos or any random video I would like. Okay, okay, so here's the video, just check it out. Okay, I'll mute it. So this is the video. uh, it is in 480 pixel and I have taken this random video. Okay, okay, now I will show you your detail of the videos. What is the actual details? Okay ji, this is around 387 MB, and when we go towards details then you can see that the frame height is around 360. Basically this video is in 360 pixel. Now I am taking this video to convert it into 720 or 1080p using VLC. So what we have to do, just download VLC player from Google or anywhere or any browser you would like to. So here it is, VLC media player. Then we will go towards the media and we will go towards the option of convert or save. When we reach to this option, we have to add the video, the same video, that's name I have written here, chicken, and I have to open it. Then I will click on convert or save. Okay, when I'll go towards convert or save, now I have selected it. When you scroll down here you can see video for 720p TV or device, or video for MPEG for 1080p TV or device. Select first of all 720p. Okay, then you can select the destination where you want to save the file, then accept, okay, and save. I have done this step for you. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes to convert it. So you can see here the details of the video. This video is in 720 pixels. You can see it. This video is, I have converted 360 pixel video into 720. Now I will show you some astonishing result. Okay, okay, this is the same video. You can see it. Okay, basically it's too astonishing for me that it hasn't converted into a 720p. You can still see some blurring effect right now, if you can see here. Wait a minute, I'll show you. This is a 720p. You can still see the blurring, still they are blurring. So here you can see it. This is 720p. I am too surprised that is it 720p. You can see here. Okay, now the same result I have done another video. I have converted it from 360p to 1080p. Okay, I am showing you guys here 1080p, frame height is 1080p. Now you can again check out the results. Check out. So I am totally surprised that why the video is not converted into the 1080p or 720p. In fact, we have converted them through a VLC. So there are a lot of channels. They are constantly saying that we have converted 360p or 480p or in fact 240p video into 720p, and they are not showing the results of the video. Here I am showing you guys the actual result of the video. Here you can see that this isn't the 1080p, this isn't 1080p guys. They all, I have shown you all the things, and this isn't 1080p. So guys, that's I'll also cover the topic how you can actually convert 360p video to 720p or 1080p. This isn't work, bro. Okay, when we will go to the actual video of I can show you the actual video of 720p. Okay, okay, here is the video. This is actual 720p, or in fact this is better. This is actual 720p. You can see this is, I have recorded this video in 720 pixel. I have not converted this video in any other format. Okay, you guys see the texture is smooth, there is no blurring. You can see this image, and which I have shown you guys the earlier. So this is totally crap guys. So don't waste your time in converting your videos through VLC, that to convert the video from 360p to 1080p. I'll surely tell you guys how you actually convert from 360p to 720p, or either you can convert it to 1080p. So guys, these are the results which nobody has shown you. So kindly subscribe, like and comment down below if you like, if you think that converting a 360p video to 720p or 1080p is it useful, is it useful? You think guys, is it useful or useless? I think on my behalf it is absolutely useless. So guys, like the channel, subscribe to my channel and just share the videos. Thank you so much guys, thank you, take care.